Merry Christmas to everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to make a quick video for us. Yes, today has been a very busy day for me. I hope you are celebrating Christmas very fine in your end. This guy, Biafran child, aka Nigerian agent, is here, trying to react on a video that Gentle made yesterday. But the only thing that made me to make this video, to react and respond to him, is where he put in his title E.T. He called Gentle E.T. It is very, very laughable because for someone like him, E.T. Borebo coming from someone like him is a kind of an insult for people that is E.T. Because he himself is a chief of ETs. He is the chief of E.T. Borebo everywhere. Someone who said that I will take you to court when he was trying to address a DOS claiming that deceive him, that they said that Biafra is coming, that they're fighting for Biafra, and he invested his money, but now he did not see anything. Before they called him to order and they also pay him off and give him his money, he started channeling his anger on Biafran government in Eza and Mazi Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. He's saying that he said he's fighting for Biafra. When you go to his Twitter, he never for once make any video against Nigeria, or make any video against Nigerian government, or make any video against anybody. His job is to twist words and try to blackmail Simon Ekpa, Prime Minister. But that is not the annoying part. The annoying part is that he's not even showing any skill or making any reasonable point. This guy will come out and start telling you that today, being Christmas Day, is not a Christmas Day, that they just want to deceive you. He always wants to engage on a conversation that is bigger than his ability, bigger than his memory, bigger than his knowledge. He don't know anything. His knowledge is really limited. He have a very limited knowledge. So he don't know anything, but he want to make sense. I just want us to watch this video.
We have to come back to our roots.
Let me see if I can go back. Okay, this is Gentle.
We have to listen to us. We have to come back to our roots. Understand this?
Gentle Yahoo.
I don't have much to say than to say all Igbos should think. They should reason.
He said E.T. That is the only thing that made me to respond to this, react to this video. Come E.T. Borebo coming from the mouth of this guy. It is an insult to people that is naturally E.T. because his own it is beyond human comprehension. Have you ever tried to read what he his write-up, or trying to listen to him make any point? This video will explain it to you. Just listen.
Stop allowing all this janjaweed, all this planet Hamas to be destroying your people, and you are accepting it. Calling yourself DOS, start calling autopilot. Why we all are one? Why
we are not one?
Treating ourselves in this way?
We can never be one.
Fine. He said we are not one. We can never be one. And who is he? Who are you? Biafran child, who are you? Talking about Simon Ekpa, talking about Biafran people, taking our freedom taking it for granted. Taking our freedom and our people, risking the life of our people because you want to make name, you want to be Mazinama kind overnight, without going through steps, without knowing what Mazinama knows, without reading, without researching. You just sit in your comfort zone in Germany. Woman is feeding you, and you are coming out making noise, talking rubbish, trying to convince people to believe you, when you have nothing upstairs. People that are people that are following Simon Ekpa or Mazinama can knows what they want. You don't dress up wearing traditional costume and come online to chase cloud. It doesn't work that way. You can only create content and get view. And I don't know why you have never visit your comment section, because people are bashing you the way what you deserve, because all your content, all your movie, all your videos, all your posts is always talking nonsense. You have never for once rise against the government, rise against people that are putting our people in this abject poverty, rise against anything, the injustice that is being meted on our people. You have never made any comment, any video concerning that. all your concern is copying the word of the so-called Martin American wife who came online calling Samuel infiltrator and Biafran government, in exile, and making jokes of herself, believing that she's trying to belittle Biafrans. But what happened? She's nowhere to be found out today. But you copied that words she used in her video to start calling people names and making nonsense. People know who we follow. We know who is fighting for the freedom. We know who is making headway. Not people that are stagnant from underground to no case Mia, from there to that you cannot get Biafra without Nigerian, without being Igbo politicians. You can just imagine. And these are people, that believe that people will, turn on them, supporting them. It doesn't work that way at all.
And on the process, your day is numbered.
This is gentle talking, trying to explain, things for Igbos, for DOS, but just somehow is wasting his time here, because you don't talk to people that have different agenda. They're not fighting for Biafra. That is just the gospel truth. Is it hard for people, for Biafrans to understand this? It is not a rocket science. They are not fighting for Biafra. They are not. All they want, you see this fame that Mazda gonna have, that everybody knows him, that know what he stands for. That is what they want. The result that Mazda is waiting for, which is Biafra, is not in the agenda at all. They want to be popular, so that when they deviate from fighting for Biafra to Nigerian politics, people know them already. That's just the target.
If you don't want to listen to the young man, you leave the young man to go and fight for his own way. That is it. This is a way human right.
The message is clear.
Everyone have to have every right to say that he wants to go on his own.
Now, what Gentle said here is that if he used an illustration, like when you are serving at your oga and you want to be settled, you want to have your own freedom, you want to start up your own business. Okay, you can say your master, I want to be free. I want to go my way. I want to start doing things on my own way. Now, Gentle is referring to DOS after kidnapping of Mazda Modicano. That DOS insisted that Samonakba should not, do this. They want him to give up his platform and all that. We all know what happened. Now, Gentle is saying that, since that is the case, why don't you allow him to focus on what he's doing? Now, this guy now twisted it, comparing, remove DOS from the conversation, put Mazda Modicano in replacement of DOS, which Gentle is trying to explain. He's now saying that Samonekba talked to Mazda Modicano that he don't want to continue with them anymore. That he want to go on his way, which is not what Samonekba did. So let's just get the message very clear, because that is what this guy is trying to portray here. But the problem that he have is that Samonekba should not use Mazda Modicano's name, which they have believed from the one that Samonekba is taking advantage of the name Mazda Modicano. Them themselves are not doing anything with even the name Mazda Modicano. And what is that name Modicano stands for? It stands for Biafran freedom. Who is now fighting for Biafran freedom? Is it DOS? The answer is no. Is it Samonekba? Of course. So who is making headway? Samonekba. But they want him to stop using Mazda Modicano names and focus on whatever it is. If Samonekba stop using Mazda Modicano name today, these people will still come after him, attacking him. But the good news is that the attack they're dishing out against Samonekba, it doesn't make any sense. It's just like maybe it doesn't hurt anything. You rather hit yourself. So let's listen to his own explanation of what Gentle has said. Just hear.
E.T. Gentle Yahoo.
He's still calling him
Unoshi. Of course, the recruited agent in Finland have told him to come out.
Now, they say he said recruited agent. This is what one of the accusations and propaganda they have using, but due to his own ignorance and stupidity, people that put that word recruited agent have stopped using it, because after seeing what Samonekba have achieved so far, they have stopped using that name, calling Samonekba a recruited agent. Before they said it's Tinubu, that Tinubu want to destabilize people, be an opportunity to become president of Nigeria, to release Mazda Modicano. Now others have stopped. this guy, Biafran child, he is still using that word, recruited agent. All that his colleagues have stopped, seeing the activities and the antecedents of Simon Ekpa so far. They have stopped using that word, knowing that, look, we cannot, this guy, what he have done so far is beyond the ability. So they are not calling him recruited agent anymore. But due to his own foolishness, he don't know when to stop. He don't know where to start. He keep on until one of them, they would now call him on phone and say, brother, stop you calling this guy this name. We have stopped long time ago. Only you is still using this name. Then he will now come back and say, okay, because he's from Anambra State, from Okija. Then they will not tell him, okay, see, we can attack him, but let's also use another way, to attack him. You can start telling him that he's a criminal. Keep on with Ekpelema. Just keep on telling him Ekpelema. That's what we are using now. He's okay. Then he will not start using that Ekpelema. That is why I said that he's chief of the ETs. He's the number one Itiborebo in this Biafran struggle. He is number one Itiborebo in this Biafran struggle. Biafran agitation, Biafran movement. This guy. Forget about, living that he live in Europe, or maybe he's dressing, wearing chain and all this ring. My brother, Brand don't have any fashion designer. It is the way God made it. That is how it will be.
And tell us to leave him alone. We are not going to leave you alone.
As if your attack is holding any water. It is people like us that are reacting to you because you are brother. We are ashamed of you, coming to public and start negating yourself, because anybody that have anything upstairs wants to hear you speaking and read what Simon Ekpa is doing. If you go to Simon Ekpa's platform, hardly will you see any name from DOS, when he just made a video attacking you, wasting time. No, this guy is doing what he's doing, and there are friends all over the world and support and backing him up. And you are in one corner, disgracing yourself, even destroying your opportunity. Once Biafra comes, you can't contest for anything with this kind of nonsense you are doing online. Who will give you even your children? Once they say, "Oh, do you remember Biafra child, that the one that normally attacks Simon Ekpa? That guy that doesn't know his left or right, that everybody is talking about this is his son." Nobody will listen to your son. Everybody knows you are, and you are stupid. Of course, whatever that comes from you, is the tendency of that person being stupid is high. So who will believe you or trust you? Nobody.
And I have told that recruited agent in Finland that he should stop using Mazin Nnamdi Kanu name. You see what this guy said? He said, even though they have finished, he have told Mazin Nnamdi Kanu that he want to be on his own. But the question is,
Mazin Nnamdi Kanu have never discussed this kind of thing with Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa have never have any issue with Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. It is DOS and which you guys are backing up. They bought laptop and give you data to be yapping nonsense online, and you are here trying to convince intelligent Biafrans. Many people are like me, who is not a part of Biafra government in Israel. We are not part of the DOS. We are the spectators. We are watching you guys playing the game, and we know who is making point. We are the judge here. It is not you. You are the judge. We are the judge. We are not part of Biafran Liberation Army. We are not part of all those things. We are Biafrans, and we know who is giving us freedom. That's who we will support. So what are you talking about?
Why that recruited agent in Finland still using Mazin Nnamdi Kanu name? Why?
He will use Mazin Nnamdi Kanu name forever, ever, as long as he wants, and you have no right to talk about it. And why is it even a problem to you? Since you are doing what Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is doing, why are you afraid of him using Mazin Nnamdi Kanu to do what you consider to be fake? Since it is fake, people will know. Fake doesn't last. How long has he been online? How long have he been in Biafran legislation? What have you achieved? And you that have been in the Biafran legislation for years, show us your result. Onuko.
And he stand as a man and take every responsibility of his actions.
My goodness. You see why I said that this guy is so stupid and useless? Simon Ekpa have been saying it on and over again, which he himself knows. His colleague is calling him a terrorist because Simon Ekpa said, I am responsible to whatever that Biafran government and Biafran Liberation Army is doing. That is from government, which I am the Prime Minister. He never for once says some Nnamdi Kanu is this or that, Nnamdi Kanu is sending me. No. So that is the why. That is the reason why I say that these people, you don't listen and you want to write the exam. You want to criticize someone that you don't even know his activities. Go and follow Simon Ekpa. Don't follow him just to copy his, his style of dressing. This guy, oh my goodness.
I am not coming here to speak much, but it have spoken. It have spoken.
If he's 80, you that listen to him and twisted, I shouldn't say twisted because that's your level of understanding. Because what you understood here is that Simon Ekpa is having this conversation with Mazda Kano, and you came online trying to use it to make a program when you know. Why did I say you know? You don't know because that is the level of your brain. You don't know when Gentle is addressing you, the US agent and Irat, and when he's talking to Mazda, when he's talking about Mazda Kano, you don't know.
A kidnapper is telling you people that they want to be on their.
Imagine this guy calling somebody a kidnapper. This is so laughable. There is a video and information proves everywhere that since kidnap of Mazda Kano, which you guys headed, and supervised the kidnap of Mazda Kano in Kenya, top rank DOS officers supervised that kidnapping and made money from it. Immediately, Fulani people said put bounty on Mazda Kano head. You guys started having secret meetings. I'm not saying you. The you I'm talking about, I'm not talking about you in particular because they don't welcome me in their important meeting. They only give you percentage. Just go online and start ranting. That's what you do. People that make money. You talk of China Sawuru, you talk of Chike Doze. This kind of people are people that even he can go rago. He's far better than you. That one is smarter than you because he's an idiot, of course, but he's smarter than you. How? He knows that Samanekba is taking this agitation serious. That was when, if his video is online, where he was telling somebody, he said, yes, if I tell you that you are not getting it right, I am lying. But you have to stop. You have to stop because the money the government said, stop Samanekba and I will pay you your complete money, is hanging. So he wants Samanekba to stop. He's staying stop, not that he don't like what Samanekba is doing. He love it, but how can I get my balance? He want to get his balance from government, which you are getting maybe 2% of it. But you are here. Most of them that are smarter than you, like Emeka Gift, all of them are hiding their faces. But you put your shrink face here, trying to make points when you have nothing upstairs, and you want people to believe you. It doesn't work that way. Have comment from Biafrans. Biafran came after him immediately. Trust Biafrans. They know what they want. I will be your end. Somebody put Samanekba's picture to respond to him. This one said, Oga, your side, you said Gentle has been captured and debunked it on your Facebook live propaganda. Facebook live propaganda program. Now, Gentle have make a video. So what do you have to say? Gambia. This is a response because they said that the Gentle have been captured. Remember, this same guy said it. Okay, let me see if I can get this video up. Okay, this one says the Prime Minister of Biafran. Okay, he used this information of the Prime Minister announcing the alliance of Middle Belt, with the Biafran Liberation Army, Biafran government in exile, to respond to them, to him, telling him that, look, this guy can do this and you cannot do that. Ifeoma Mike said, Mumuman, I know you love my PM, which I said earlier, but that's why they can't make anything, because Amaka is fighting the government for them, and his own is to pull him down. You love my Prime Minister. That is why you always go to his ex to get news. Man, pass man, not for mouth. That's not for mouth. This will sweet me. Let us pretend that you are fighting for Biafra. Which time do you dedicate which time do you dedicate when 24/7 you are focusing on so obsessed on Simon Ekpa, that our Prime Minister. Your name is not Martin Americano. What about the update on the so-called court case to stop Simon Ekpa from using Martin Americano criminals? This guy knows what is going on. Edith Okonkwo said, Agadi Nagofe, MSE, my Simon Ekpa, has always been your content. Every day for the thief, one day for the owner. Repent and turn away from your evil way now. Oh my goodness, a lot of comments. This one says, Mighty Dot Simon Ekpa says, when you finish blabbing on social media, we will be waiting for all of you in Biafra land. You have no idea what will await all of you criminals that sold Martin Americano. Okay, I will stop here. A lot of comment, but he don't care. All he wants is his money. A criminal is a criminal, honestly. This one is in Sunday. Make us say copyright man. You can never in your useless life be like Moses Amonekpa, the guy. That's the good guy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching the video. See you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Tell me what you think about this guy and his programs on X and on Facebook. It is very, very funny and so sad at the same time. Seeing your fellow Biafrans going astray is very, very painful. Bye for now. Merry Christmas to you all. Bye bye for now.